Welcome to PharmAlliance International Labs Private Limited, a name synonymous with global healthcare innovation and an unyielding commitment to excellence. Our slogan, Alliance of Excellence, reflects our dedication to improving lives through the highest quality pharmaceutical products. Introducing our groundbreaking project, PharmAlliance Pharmaceutical Products. Our state-of-the-art facilities and a team of dedicated experts empower us to manufacture a comprehensive range of pharmaceutical products designed to meet the evolving needs of patients and healthcare providers worldwide. From concept to reality, our pharmaceutical products are the result of meticulous research, innovation, and an unwavering focus on quality. We use the latest advancements in pharmaceutical science to create formulations that are safe, effective, and reliable, addressing diverse therapeutic needs. Our expansive portfolio covers a wide range of therapeutic areas, including but not limited to cardiovascular health, infectious diseases, respiratory care, pain management, and gastrointestinal health. From essential medications to specialized therapies, our products are manufactured to deliver consistent and trusted outcomes. Quality assurance is the cornerstone of our pharmaceutical operations. Each product undergoes a stringent series of quality checks and tests, adhering to international regulatory standards. At PharmAlliance, our promise is to deliver nothing less than pharmaceutical excellence every single time. Our pharmaceutical products are trusted by healthcare professionals and patients alike. We believe in the power of medicine to transform lives, which is why every product is crafted with the highest precision and care, ensuring positive and lasting impacts on patient health and well-being. With a robust global distribution network, PharmAlliance Pharmaceutical Products reach every corner of the world. We partner with distributors, hospitals, pharmacies, and healthcare providers, ensuring timely access to essential and life-saving medications. Together, we are making a difference on a global scale. We don't just make pharmaceuticals, we collaborate with the healthcare community to pioneer solutions that shape the future of medicine. Our focus on research and partnerships drives continuous advancements, placing us at the cutting edge of global pharmaceutical innovation. Choose the Alliance of Excellence. Choose PharmAlliance Pharmaceutical Products. Together, let's build a healthier tomorrow. To learn more about our extensive range of pharmaceuticals or to discuss partnership opportunities, visit www.pharmalliance.pk.